time coming into Monaco at the Christmas market, and I was determined to be here this year. And we're ready and excited. Let me show you what in front of us looks like. There we go. Monaco at Christmas time. You're excited? Yeah.
That was nice. Look at this guy. It's nice. Nice.
We'll see more crepe. And here's pretty. Yes, the squad. Kina, say hi. Babe, Skyla, say hi. Sarah, say hi.
Hi. Today we go to the...
Oh guys, today is our wedding anniversary. Today is our 11 years wedding anniversary. And we decide that we're coming to the Christmas market in Monaco to spend our anniversary. Yes, wait, look, there's one more over there too. Sarah! Sarah! When Tyler will be caught. Hello! Sarah! Sarah! Oh my God! I don't see them. Oh, there she is. Hey yo! Follow, follow. Surprise! Enjoy the ride. Look at Sarah. Yay! You have two more? Ask them. Oh, we out. Sarah, look.
Oh, may Valentino du Père Noël.
Kine here. Kine. Kine. Shot of you.
Look
at the car.
Wow. Look at this car.
And since you say 2, 4, 6, and 8, I stopped.
With the sugar and Nutella. With the sugar and Nutella, no? That's how we normally take it? Oh, it's automatically in the sugar. Avance. This is beignet. This is something I never really taste. It's very common in the UK.
Merci.
Merci.
Look like the Nutella can fall at any minute. Come.
Spain need to take a page out of France's book of how to make churros, right? The churros in Barcelona was crap. It tastes terrible. The churros was cold. It was filled with oil. But the churros in France, nothing beat that. Top notch. Hot, just made, fresh, so good. Look at them. Dig in. C'est bon? It's yummy? Yay! Okay, so we are in Monte Carlo right now in Monaco, in front of the casino. Hi, Sarah! In front of all the luxury vehicles. I was just asking baby if these vehicles here are just for show, and he said no, this belongs to people inside the casino. So, hence I'm seeing all of these.
Mama, is expensive inside the casino.
Very expensive.
Yeah.
One. I'm getting hungry now though.
You see, you understand why
House.
you're hungry, me?
Oh, the dog bites you. Wow, this display is nice. Look at the
Because really I would
chicken.
like to eat it.
Yes, go feast. I want the shrimp, I want the crab,
Yeah, I want the chicken.
and the fish.
And the cake.
Look at the cake. Oh my God. This is the feast. When Jesus was born, this is the feast that they had. You know what's the meaning of Christmas?
Yes.
What's the meaning of Christmas? The birth of Jesus. These displays are nice.
But his birthday is the 25 December. Mama,
Huh?
his birthday is 25 December.
Oh, you got to get preparation.
Huh?
Prepare.
Ah. That's late.
I can.
You see them cooking? Yeah, but don't, please. It's plastic.
It's with Sarah's touching it.
Stella, please. Sorry, you see them in the kitchen cooking?
Yes.
Merry Christmas!
Going to eat.